Well, good day everyone. Shenell here from Angelic Interior Designs, and today I have a thrift store makeover that I'm going to style up, as you can see, in the laundry room. And it is 3 beautiful jars that I'm going to be placing in there. And as you can see, one that was already existing that I had in my home already, and the other 2 were thrift store finds, and both were priced at total $6.50 for the both of them. And I wanted a trio set to go above the washer and dryer on the ledge in the laundry area, and I didn't want them all to be the same color, so I proceeded to paint them, of course, with spray paint. And I went with a black gloss, a gray, and a white, as you can see. And continue to watch the video and you will see just how I styled them in the space that was permitted in the laundry area. Thank you for joining me, and don't forget to like, comment, share, and definitely hit that subscribe button. And of course, it's me, Shenell, and I'll see you in the next one.